In part 6, we're talking about a lotus birth. And I'll be honest, I didn't even know lotus birth was a thing until I read about it. There are some people who believe that the placenta is part of the baby and should remain with the baby until the umbilical cord actually falls off. The baby is first nourished from the placenta, and then eventually from mom, and then eventually from hopefully healthy choices at home, and then unfortunately probably from a lot of fast food, which your child should not be eating when they get older. Putting that aside, there are medical reasons why maybe this isn't the best idea. And the way I like to view it is with a cup of chicken broth. Let's say you had a cup of chicken, this is my water, but let's say you had a cup of chicken broth and you put it on a kitchen counter. For the first few days, it's going to look fine. Within a week, something is going to be growing within there. We're going to get bacteria, we're going to get a whole bunch of things growing in that chicken broth. Well, the placenta is really filled still with old blood from your baby. And we know that the umbilical cord is going to attach to your baby for about 2 weeks before it finally detaches, which means that old blood sitting in that placenta is going to stay attached to your baby for up to 2 weeks. And chances are bacteria and things are going to grow within that old blood, and that can affect your baby's umbilical cord and lead to an infection over there. We love your shares and likes, and the only lotus I know is the lotus pose. Om.